Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are we all doing? Thank you very much for joining me today. Kia ora, kia ora. Hello to Oliver, Darkest, Rose, Peter, Arsenal, Sad Sucks. Hey, much appreciated for joining me too, brother, and downloading the app. Subzuka Main and Monster and Posey. Kia ora, kia ora. Morning, well, yeah, it's 10:23. I'm a bit on the later side, but normally on weekends I do shorter streams. But yeah, we got a bit of just doing a little cleanup stream today. Yo. And to those that are new, this is what we've been doing. So this is a Manaya. A Manaya is a form that we do within Whakairo. So you can see there's two heads there for the two birthdays that we'll be celebrating. Yeah, I know along Europe there, I'm on a bit on the later side. Righto. I'm wondering what I should have for dinner this evening. I'm thinking I might just have chicken breast tonight. You have so many dinner options compared to Tauranga. Oh, I don't go out for dinner. I think that's a waste of money. Last time I went to dinner out Tauranga, me and my wife went to, is it Kong? But yeah, we're in a bit of a money saving vibe at the moment because we're saving up for a house in the long run. How much do you charge for something like this? Something like this? Probably between because it's a simple thing, eh? Only between 6 and 800. Obviously, price will double if it's shipping out of the country, but this is a local. This is a local one. It's a bit dark, eh? Yo, what's up, Omega? What's up, Durock? Morena to Chris Brodka over on YouTube. Terrible order. Morena. Just gonna do little checks. Last couple checks on the main side, and she's pretty much done. So I'm just checking over everything for today. It's my birthday. Hey, happy birthday, Agnew. Hope you have a wonderful day, brother. No te rā, my bro. It's your day today. I was gonna have the day off today, but I thought no, I need a stream because I'm gonna be gone for 5 days. Man's gonna be gone for 5 days. Yeah, bro, that green is nice, eh? Nice. Could also do reruns. I still didn't even know how to do that. Did you ever do Hackers on stream? Not really, my bro. Main reason I haven't is because just how, you know, things can be memed on, eh? And I don't want something that is very near and sacred to me and my people to be memed on. So when we're finished designing, we'll be cutting all of this out. Pretty much. The wood is removed. Yeah, my boy. Sorry about that. Hey, I hope you have all been enjoying it. I think when it comes to the designing process, it won't take long. I watched a few funeral hookers and man, what a way to hear, my bro. Been part of many, my bro. We still gotta clean up the back too. Okay. Oh, Tokato? Yeah. It's one of the ones that's normally done, or well, it kind of depends really. If it's a male, a lot of the times people will do tika tonuatsu. It's a haka that an ancestor made for his son because he was in a slump. And it's about, you know, getting out of your depression and pushing forward pretty much. Geez, I don't know what you have for lunch. Yeah, so the plan really today is just to clean it up, do some last minute things, and then we'll get that art stream in. Obviously I need to go and buy some more pencils. So we can draw the design on. Looking like we might do, we could do Rape. Could do Rape as a final send off for Uncle, because that was the first design he taught me. Or we could do Pākatis. At the same time, we could, what's the options? I don't know, I've been thinking about sushi all week, so maybe I have sushi for lunch. For dinner, I'm probably just gonna have probably just steak or chicken. Nothing too crazy. What do you do with the carving when you're done? So this will be going to 2 people for a birthday, brother. To Tawana. Yeah, this is going to a birthday, my bro. So once this comes out, then we'll have a lot more emphasis on the body. And they're from Mongolia. What's up, my brother? Iwa e kato. Oh no. They're adding skins to 2XKO. that's not good. That's one fighting game I'm actually looking forward to playing. Yo, what's up, Tree? Oh, really? Hey, appreciate it, brother. Hope you're good, my bro. Brother Tree. I was doing some art yesterday. Nothing too crazy, just doing the logo for just for my racing thing that I'm doing on GTA. Hope you're well there, brother. Whoop. No, it's just on my iPad. It's on my iPad, brother. Yeah, the fams is all good. They're just chilling inside. Normally when I do weekend streams, I normally just do about 2 hours at most. Hey, what's up, bro? That emo dough. Coming back to the stage, Plinko. I want to, but cost-wise, I don't think I can. Yeah, I'm at the moment, Plinko. I'm trying to save up for a house, pretty much, and it's I'm going on my honeymoon next week, pretty much, for 5 days. So yeah, there's that too. It all depends. Like, I'm supposed to do a subathon, but I haven't had much time to sort it because I've been busy with my kids. That's a 20-hour flight. I'll be honest, that's nothing, eh? All you got to do is sit there. God bless you. Oh, well, it's better to save than have nothing, eh? We've got land here that my grandfather told me to build on, which will be cheaper, but we're just saving up to see what kind of options come to us in the future. As much as I want to go to San Diego, like I really want to go to see everyone again, I think it'll be much wiser to just save. I'm trying not to, you know, go to the bank for a loan. I'm very anti-loans. I know, you know, they might bite me in the ass in the future, but That's why I'm trying to save up, do as much commissions as I can. California is scary for NZ people. When I went to Vegas, for TwitchCon 10 days later, or well, 8 days later, I went to BlizzCon. I will say though, like California's very, very dirty. And I was in Anaheim at the time. Oh, what the fuck? That's fucked up. Oh, even when I was in California, there was this guy going around like trying to intimidate a lot of the BlizzCon attendees, and me being Maori, confrontation insta provokes us, and I tried so hard not to step in. Like, oh man, I wanted to though. I really, really wanted to, and it was hard for me to stand back. Yeah, bro, it's pretty much in the blood. Even my mates are saying, "You're good." So, I want to jump in, but at the same time, I'm in a foreign country. Yeah, I was ready to throw down, man. But I ended up going by them and just standing there and waiting till he was done. But I just kept staring at him the whole time. But he left, and I just told them, please don't walk by your fucking selves at night, no matter where you are. It's like, I know you don't know me, but come on now. Even in Vegas, like, I didn't really walk around by myself. I think the only time I walked by myself was to McDonald's, but luckily it was by Resort World where I was staying. And, oh bro, I had my guard up, man. My guard was up, bro. It was when I was walking the strip with a few friends, and on the Vegas Strip, how there's a lot of like strip club promoters and whatnot. There were ladies in their like their undergarments, and I was like, "Geez, aren't you shy?" So now we do this every day. I was like, "Oh, bugger that." And the promoter was like, "You want to go to strip club?" I was, "No, I'm going to be married soon." So why don't you spice up your life? Take the answer, just take my answer. Spice up your life and see some of the girls. No, I love my soon-to-be wife. He's like, come on, man. I was like, bro, just take the bloody answer I've given you. Like, oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. Yeah, I was looking at him and oh, he's like confident, alright. And they're like, oh, this is just what we do. I was like, gee. They just started laughing. I went, you're not from here. It's like, no, where we from, we keep our clothes on in public. But make sure these walls are clean, Chip. But everyone asked if you were Australian too. Nah, they didn't know where the accent was from. If they did, I would have blew them up. Sup, Endless? I still carving the same section as last week. Just cleaning it up, pretty much. Just cleaning up all four of the marks. Pretty much done. Thank you. Alright, have you covered me with the numbers after the joke? Yo, what's up, Battle Tanker? You good, my bro? How are you? Yeah, after this, then we hit the back. I won't be putting my streaming signature on here because it's for my cousins. Boy. Yo, what's up, McFrosty? Come on. Alrighty. But yeah, not it. You've missed quite a bit. You're bad. a little section in here. In here. So we'll clean those up. Iki still on the same section as last week. Maurawake. I still want to make a pūtātara. I haven't made one in ages. Che, my bird. How are you? Just checking over this. Have you ever carved yourself a tail? Have you ever kept... No, I've never carved my own taihana. Ever. I need to though. Definitely bloody need to. Bit long overdue. Definitely long overdue, my bro. Yeah, I'll definitely carve my own. Now let's see which way our grain's going. Oh, shite. I'm good, brother. Hope you are too. Yeah, brother, getting by. Just streaming as much as I can before I disappear for 5 days. I'm going to going south. Going on honeymoon next week. Just for 5 days. 45 days. A lot of cleaning work to do. Yeah, it won't take long though. I'm just cleaning up the back now so I don't have to do it later. So instead of adding like my name or my tribes that I come from, I'll add a mark to it so people know it's me. Yeah, I'm gonna scallop the whole back, my boy. know, most of it will get taken off. I'd just rather do it, you know, now. Yep, that's a lot we have to do, but it's all good. This Mo Te Ate is about someone called Te Whare Huia, one of my koros. He was a very, very renowned kai kōrero, or whai kōrero, I don't know how to say it, just he tangata mōhio ki te whai kōrero. Someone who knew how to whai kōrero, and they created a school of high-level Maori language called Panekiretanga. I'll be honest, I was not a fan of it myself, but me personally, like, because only a select people get invited to that school, and there's only a select few that's gonna understand you. Some of the words they come up with are very interesting. Well, one of my other grandfathers is part of that school that got created too. Rather than put my koro on a pedestal, I just see him as my koro, to be honest. Amazing work, thank you. Yeah, my bro. Love listening to it though. Yep, this is what we're doing. What are we up to today? This was an important, yeah, pretty much. So these are our original song, There's the haka, but this was what, captured the true essence of our language and Te Whare Tapiri, all the performing arts side. Yo! Leb is the hero, thank you for the 9 months. The first sub of the day, goddamn. Thank you very much for the resub, brother, with the 9 months. I appreciate the aroha, my bro. And happy sub baby day. So there might be no day stream tomorrow, because we'll most likely be drawing tomorrow, so it'll be a night one. So it'll be good for the EU crowd. Yo, Mary to Brosa. Thank you very much for the raid, man. Kia ora for the raid. I hope you had a wonderful stream today. So the mainly reason why I'm doing this is just to get rid of just all of this ugly stuff. Is the wrestle with you? Oh yeah, it's just a little hard in some areas. And plus I think my this chisel could do with a bit of a sharpen. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit of an art stream tomorrow for this. So it's more so what we're going to do is just draw the whole thing up in the night stream. And then after that, we carve it the next day. I love it. My dream is to come to NZ and have a pint with you. Hey, geez, brother. I'd love to meet everyone that follows me. Obviously, there's a lot. But definitely at TwitchCon, got to meet a few people too. Yo! Shine RZ13, thank you for the $2.99. Is that a super chat? Thank you very much for the super chat, my bro. Well, it looks like I did the right thing. They're working. Been so long since I've seen your streams, bro. Welcome back, brother. You gonna be hitting more within? There may be a 20th anniversary package that was delivered to my home with a code and a big ass box in it. I think I'm gonna use the code and put it on my EU account. While we were with my two kids and missus, I'm looking at. Oh, really? Yeah, I was like, I'm not expecting anything, and then big box turned up and I saw Blizzard on it. I was like, oh, I know what this is. There's a big statue in there. Thank you very much, Shine. It's nice one. Oh, I'll show you, my bro. So, I'm just cleaning up the back, really. But this is what's on the other side. This Manaya here. So the reason why it has two heads, it's for a dual birthday, pretty much. So there's two birthdays on the one day, and this Manaya is a representation of that. Now in our culture, Manaya are for many things. One being kaitiaki. Kaitiaki, you know, if you translate it, it's like a guardian, someone that looks over you. And this is what my auntie wanted it to represent them to. And yeah, I went with something a bit more simpler than usual. And this is what we come up with, brother. So it'll either be tonight. No, it'll probably be tomorrow night because I've still got to go get pencils and stuff. Either tonight or tomorrow night we'll draw it up. Draw them up and really get them designed. I'm still unsure what design I want to do, but I think I might be leaning towards a design I've already done. Drop it up here. Main reason being is because it was the design my uncle taught me, and this is one of his commissions too. This thing here. But he passed away like a month and a bit ago. So I think to close it off for my uncle's commission, as I mentioned, this is kind of closure for me too. we'll finish with his design that he taught me, the first design. Thank you very much to Frank for the Optimus Prime being our first brand new sub of the day too. Kia ora, kia ora. But yeah, so pretty much all the moulding and the cleaning is done. All that's left to do really is to design it. And so yeah, what we're gonna do is, so what I'm currently doing is just cleaning up the back so we get rid of all this. But yeah, I think we'll do rapi just to the last hurrah for my uncle. Yeah, just a little insight. My uncle was the one who taught me Whakairo, who opened the door to the realm of Whakairo to me. Gave me a solid foundation in terms of carrying on after I had left. So I moved out of home at 16, but I carried on carving. And then eventually upskilled and carried on my learning in my 20s at a carving school known as NZ Miki, New Zealand Maori Arts and Crafts Institute, where I spent 3 years there, graduated, come out with a truck full of knowledge, and yeah. So I started at 12, and now I'm 32, turning 33. Is there a way? Yeah, I do ship overseas. I normally announce when my commissions are open. I think I've got like 4 more things to do after this. Yo, thank you very much to Scythe96 for the brand new Optimus Prime 2 being a brand new Sabilala. And we got a hype train going on too. Thank you. Thank you very much for the super chat too, my bro. I wasn't sure if I turned it on properly. People have been telling me to turn it on for the last month, and I just keep forgetting. Gotta get on before the ads. Oh. Hold on, chat. What are you carving? We are carving the back of a Manaya. Obviously you can't see it right now because it's on the other side. I'll show you. I'm just yeah, I just want to get as much of this machine marks on the back of this carving taken off. Just want to try and get it taken off as ASAP, and then eventually then I'll show you. We might be looking at drawing up the design tomorrow, maybe during the day. We'll see. Ooh, it's my jam. Because poe atu taku poe. Rere atu taku poe. Ka pohia e maramai te hanie. E pirangi ana te huru ki te moera e. Whaka te tangia te ruru e Ohorere ana te ruru ki taku poi e Rere ana taku poere ana Ki runga te hau ki ngā kapua e Horahia taku poe horahia I'll keep that in mind. Yeah, I normally announce on all the socials, my bro. Hootie hootie Kapohia Yeah, I'm feeling sushi for lunch. Oh, but then again, I wouldn't mind a bit of fruit. Te ruru ki te hoia e Ki raro ne E moe te o katoa Nō reira ki a te reto Haerenga e Hoki mai rā Ki roto te atarau Hey mate, are you still playing well? I definitely am. I've been huffing on some copium lately. Because you know the World of Warcraft thing in China had reopened. And they celebrated with a light forged Gorehell. I think it looks freaking amazing. Obviously, I wouldn't want Grom to become a paladin, but if that opens up a can of worms for Magha to become paladins, I will sniff that copium till it happens. Mark my words. I will stop maining warrior if that happens. I think an orc pally sounds cool. Not so much more for the green orcs, because you know they got touched by the demon blood. More for the Magha, because you know they were surrounded by the light, because they eventually became the bad guys after Adrenal. Hero started putting the dick in dictator. Yeah, so Blizzard collabed with, I can't remember who, but they were the ones that helped Blizzard reopen the servers in China. Hey, yo, chat, do you think, oh, I can't see my screen. Do you guys think Donald Trump's, ear plaster is the new Nelly face plaster variant? I saw everyone in support of him with like an ear plaster, and I went, this dude's the new fucking Nelly, I tell you.
Watch your fucking mouth.
Telling you now, bro, Donald Trump is the new Nelly in terms of the plaster. You know how Nelly came out and he made the plaster on the face famous? Isn't everyone's starting to rock a big plaster on their ear? I tell you, bro. Mario was well, let's go. Holding it down, but this is awesome. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I'll show you what's on the other side soon. I just want to get some of this done. Love how the Tauran law for them became priest and paladin was yeah, bro, I enjoyed that too. Twitch staff, one of the Twitch staff goes, I don't understand how Taurans became Pellies though, and sit down my boy and I'll educate you. I am a part-time law walker. That's what I love about WoW the most, is the law. Now the funniest thing, bro, I haven't even seen it, my bro. Mind you, I don't even watch TV that much, eh? So I'm just trying to get rid of most of the machine marks on the back, just for now. I haven't watched TV in years. Yeah, you'll catch me watching streams and all these days. There might be the odd occasion where I watch the news just to see what's happening in the world. Just like the other day when I didn't know there was a global outage, I was like, oh, funny that. I want a taco now. Yeah, I might have tacos for tea. Just 3. Since it's just me home this evening. Kinda, what is that, Monroe? It is Rimu, R-I-M-U, my brother. But I forgot to ask chat, so do you think it is a wise move to swap to iPhone? I've been an Android and the majority of my life. But yeah, my phone's on the way out. I've had it since 2019. And I might be like mid-video on YouTube and it's like, stuff you, I'm gonna go flat. Shamans believe in spirits, paladins are true, zealots and believe in the deity. Moving path. Why, you don't like druids? Yeah, I stopped liking druids after they sacrificed Ursoc back in Shadowlands. I was like, after that, bro, you can suck a fart. But I do like the Grizzlemore form though. I think the druid is fun. We all stopped at the bottom. Casey. Bruh, that's a lot I have to do, eh? Yeah, I just transferred all my memories of my kids off my phone. I've had my same phone number since I was like 13. Oh, absolutely love your working vibe. Currently working on the house you're sitting. Oh, you got a bit of a reno. Bro, love me a good reno, Maori. What are you doing? What are you doing? Thank you for the biddies too, man. Man, I can't wait to do a reno when I own the house. I want an extra wide toilet with arm space. We don't stop, we don't stop, we don't stop. Love me a good reno. On a client's house currently, but hopefully I'll start on my own house next year. Nice, my bro. Any advice for someone that you know, is currently saving for a house? AKA me. Or any homeowners in here? Any advice? I've heard that it's cheaper to build. Win the lottery. Do as much work on your own house as you can. Okay. That sounds very based. Hello, Aztec. Yeah, we got land here. Like, my grandfather, who's the chief, he goes, your nanny has land over there. So cool. But my mum, like all the land my nan owned in her name, it's succeeded to her. But she doesn't want any of it, so she's pretty much giving it to me and my other two first cousins. So, just have all the good land by the marae. Give the coastal parts to the cousin. Hello, Fim. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime being our third brand new sub today. Thank you very much, my bro. Hey, what's up, OMC? My day is going good, my bro. Just normally I do pretty chill weekend streams, and we're just pretty much gutting the back out of this carving right now to get rid of all those machine marks. What the actual, bro? Maori, thank you very much for the 6 months in advance. And Charlie the shrimp with the... Is that a 25? Oh my god. Oh, shrimp sound yum. Okay, I gotta ask to those that eat seafood boiled. Do you eat the heads off the shrimps too? Because I'm like... Ugh. Hope everything goes well with the wedding. Oh, my brother, I'm actually married now. I've been married since March, my bro. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I'm married now, my bro. We'll fly our honeymoon on Friday. Thanks, man. Holy guacamole shrimp, and then Giga Chad decides to sub himself. Thank you for the 5 months, my bro. Been a minute, hope you're well. Been a minute. That's all good. But all is well, brother. Level 7 hype train. Holy. Thank you very much, my bro. Very kind of you. So I'll show you what we've done so far. I'm probably going to have to cut back this way because the grain just changed. Gotta keep on saving, bro. Gotta keep paying the mortgage and the rates long. Oh, yeah. So, rates is something you gotta focus on as a homeowner. I'll be honest, bro. I know nothing here, nothing about it. Distant bagpipes. Now that is a fucking name I have not seen in a long time. Holy shit, bagpipes, how you been? You handsome bugger. Long time no see, bagpipes. Holy shit. Sorry for my slander. So this is what we've been up to, guys. This is a Manaya. So we have 2 heads. Reason why we have 2 heads is because it's for 2 birthdays, pretty much. But this is what we've done so far. And we are ready for the design phase. Holy shit, bagpipes. Good to see you, brother. Looks incredible. Thank you very much, brother. Yeah, this is more on the... My apologies, you shut up and stop apologizing. Been prepping for college. Aye. Gonna be studying counseling. Nice, brother. You just make sure you... More study than more college girls, alright? I've seen Not Another Teen Movie. No. Good on you, brother. Good on you, about to go to college. Hey, if it does get rough at college, you cancel your sub, eh? Because, you know, I want everyone there watches the stream to succeed outside of it. That's one of my favourite things, is when you come back and tell me what you've been up to. More learning this. Oh, is that what you say? Gurning. Gurning the cat. Is that what you would say? I don't know. Oh yeah, this is what we've been up to. So the Manaya takes characteristics from a bird. So you can see our mouths here. Mouth, nose, and eye. Obviously you can see too that they're two different heads as well. So this is a ruru. So the owl is the characteristics of this, and this is a whiku. This is the more common kind of face that we do. Bagpipe's gonna be a good person in the future. That's what's up. Yeah, brother. He just has to stop apologizing for nothing here, that's all. Yo, Carl Justo. My sun, my moon. Thank you very much, Carl, for the 2 months as a Optimus Prime. Thank you very much for blowing the back out of the sub goal today, whānau. Golly gosh. I do apologize too that weekend streams are normally 2 hours. I'll fight you on my apology, bro. I can play tennis all day, my bro. I'm better than Roger Federer. What's that dickhead's name? Novak. Novak, I get angry at everything Djokovic, bro. I can keep this rally session going all day. Yeah, I've got a tea party in a couple hours, chat. Well, in a couple minutes, actually. Yeah, so we're just getting rid of these things here. These jarabas here. It's a beautiful thing. This is Rimu. R-I-M-U. One thing I love about this timber is the grain. Censor me if you want, but I get a hard on for a grain that looks, that, complements the work. There. I get a hard on for, grain that makes my carving look even better. But yeah, this is what we've done. Pretty much. So this is how my auntie goes, it'll look good on a stand, eh? So are you going to pay extra for a stand for auntie? So no, then you make your own stand. Just a little FYI for this commission as well. It's my uncle's, and it was given to me to finish being one of his students because he passed away. But all the funds for this particular commission, I asked if they could go to my auntie. Have you joined OTK? No. I was just saying in my video that, if I was to join an org, if it ever came to, that great privilege, would most likely want to join OTK. I feel like, me, because I got approached by Liquid last year, or the year before, and I was down, but yeah, they pulled the ejecto-seater at the end. And like a couple of days later, I kind of looked at it and I went, yeah, it doesn't make sense for me to be in an esports org. So maybe it was that. Maybe I didn't do a good enough job, I don't know. But in a sense, I'm glad, they pulled the eject button, because I feel like what I do would not fit in an esports org when I don't do anything esports at all. Sorry chat, this is like an old video on YouTube. That's why it sounds like a VHS. If you don't know what a VHS is, don't worry about it. Ancient technology. Did you tell them you are in the No. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened there, but you know me, I didn't want to dwell on it at the time. Obviously, I was a bit gutted, but because I thought I didn't do well. But like probably the second day after, I was like, move on. And then I got a email the other day from a big brand asking if I wanted to, jump on board and roll with them, but I said no. Because they said, oh, we love your esports content, and that was a red flag for me. I was like, bro, you don't even watch. Like, I don't care how big you are. if you say stuff like that, that makes me think you're not watching. If you never watch, it's not gonna happen. So I pretty much said no. Carving in esports now. Just to get rid of some damn machine marks. Thank you once again, Shrimp. Sorry, Shrimp and Cracker Jack from yesterday too. Is wood carving hard to get into? Nothing's ever hard to get into. It all depends on how much you want to do it. Bro has been fighting us for apologies. Yeah, for years. Years. Every time people come in, sorry I haven't been here, I'm like, what the fuck you saying sorry for, bro? Everyone should know, everyone should know by now. They need to say sorry. That's probably why we play tennis so much, going back and forward. Oh, I think I might need to go for a bit of a Stairmaster stint today, chat. I feel like I might be getting a little bit sick. So what better way to get rid of it than go and get sweaty? Don't be sorry, be better. Damn! Ooh, I got chills seeing that. Damn, Kratos is a giga charity. Kratos aka Teal'c. my god, it's sunny! I've just had an idea. So, seeing as how there's two different heads on this, right? We are going to do rape on one, my uncle's design. And we're going to do another design on the bottom of the head. We're going to do two different designs. I feel like the math is mathing. Because it's two different people celebrating their birthday. Yeah, we're doing two different designs. Locked in. Set in stone, aka set in wood. I put a bag of gummy bears on it. Sounds pretty dope. Yeah. So we'll do my uncle's design that he taught me, but I'll do a much harder one on the other one. Anyway, Otter, go to bed. All you Europeans, stop being cringe and staying up late. You think I don't know how late it is? Wait, it's late. I thought it was 1 in the morning. It was 2. Bloody smart ass. It's actually early in the morning, so you're technically you're wrong. Literally. It's actually 1 in the morning, which makes it early. We're actually on demon time. Yeah, my bro. Have a sleep, my bro. We'll be hitting a late night art stream tomorrow. I love this pattern on the wood. I've never seen. Yeah, so what I'm just doing, this is how I just normally clean up the back. Instead of being, you know, a boring, get the planer and plane the thing off. I'd rather just scallop the back. Beautiful piece of wood you're carving on. Appreciate you, my brother. Almost there, guys. Oh, you play the water. It's very traditional. Very, very traditional. That's my auntie. She's a lawyer. So we're gonna do two different designs on this one, eh? Why didn't I think of that earlier? We're carving this for two different people. Any House of Dragon viewers here? Does anyone know what day the episodes drop? Me and my wife are up to date now. We binge season 1 and 2. Tuesdays. Monday for me, so Tuesday for you. Okay, thank you. Cool. Season 2 most likely be over soon, eh? Couple more EPs. I always laugh at Eamon D. He's got a very sharp face. Oh, is Deadpool out today? Oh. This makes me sad. Oh. Sunday, okay. What's the time for you, bagpipes? Apparently they're changing it up from the book too, eh? Because, isn't there talks that girl's gonna get sheep stealer? One of the most beautiful countries, yeah. I see the TikToks of Scotland, eh? Hello, scalloping. So magic slowly fades. Oh. Probably be like me with my hometown too. It's a very, untouched wild land. And like, it's just home. I fully understand that. Oh, Sonic Fox 1 Evo again, eh? Wonder how much money they won, eh? That's crazy, bro. Mortal Kombat. But my grandfather was Rangers. Oh yeah, Rangers 247 from. We follow the Rangers. Oh, is that a rugby team? In these ways, you have to visit Scotland. Oh, really? I won't lie. I'm probably gonna fall in love with Scotland, eh? I won't even lie. I will most likely fall in love with the country. I remember. Oh, the pattern. No, we're just cleaning up the back, just to get rid of these machine marks. Pretty much like Maori, super tribal, used to be clans. Yeah. Like colors and everything, eh? remember the old days of high school, especially when the Rugby World Cup was on. Oh, just after high school, I was in Polytech, it's kind of like uni, and the Rugby World Cup was on, and Scotland was in town, and Ireland as well, and they were all, at a pub, and the people follow their teams there, and hearing the Scotland girls and the Irish girls' accents, I was like, I actually like it. Back when I was slightly younger. Because there's an Irish bar here too, and used to see all the Irish girls there. Cheer brother bagpipes. Have a good sleep, my brother. We'd love to visit sometime. Chew. Let's finish this, guys. It's almost. We'll finish this half and then I'll probably go scoot after that. Because I'm seeing little eyes giving me the shutting gun look at the window. Yeah, seeing little frowns at the window. That's enough for today. No. We'll see it to the end. Sorry you haven't been here in a few streams. I was out drinking tonight. You better be home safe and sound. I will give you the biggest lecture you ever had. He's out drinking tonight, eh? I hope you didn't drive. Kick you right in the moose knuckle. Cheer, my brother. You have a good one, eh? Have a good sleep, my bro. So we're drawing the design up tomorrow night, okay? So who knows, we might double dip tomorrow. 1 day stream and 1 night stream. Yeah, we might double dip tomorrow. If not, then it'll definitely be a night one. It'll be a much more cozier stream, where we draw up the design for this piece. Looking forward to. I actually enjoy these the cozy art streams that we do. I only just started incorporating them recently. Instead of drawing it outside, we'll do a nighttime stream and draw it up on stream instead. You show your stuff, you craft. Yes, I do, Urs. I do, my brother. Oh yeah, that's him. It's ready to go, guys. It is ready to go. I'm glad we banged it out though. And it's all there. But yeah, for this piece we are going to be doing 2 separate designs, okay? I'm just admiring it through the screen. Sorry. Oh, yeah, so at the top for this head, we're gonna do rapi rapi. I don't know, we might put a design in here. We could design the body. Yeah, we'll do rapi rapi up here, my uncle's design, his favourite. And then we'll do a much more difficult design on this head here. So that is the poo land. My daughter's chat, they're looking at me going. We'll design this chat, we're designing this, so we'll, I think what I'm gonna do is, we'll just have a nighttime stream tomorrow, so it might be a little bit of a while till we get to it, but the European viewers will be happy. We'll pump up YouTube as well for the art stream, but essentially what we're going to be doing is designing this, drawing the design on, and then we'll hit it on, might be Wednesday. I've got something to do, maybe Tuesday, that I'll be streaming on my main channel. But what I want to try and do before I leave for my honeymoon on Friday, I want to try and fully design this. I mean, we will, but won't be too hard. Yeah. Very strong smell. Yeah. Congrats on the honeymoon. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we got married back in March, so instead of spending a lot of money to go outside the country, we're just gonna go down the South Island here in my own country, because she's always wanted to go to Queenstown, and then we're gonna go to Milford Sound. Sorry, I just got a text. Yeah, looking forward to it. That's why I want to try and stream as much as I can before I initially go. Because yeah, obviously 5 days off the stream is bad too, but at the same time, a 5-day break, disconnecting from all socials, just chilling with my wife would be good. I might post a little video here and there, but fully my attention will just be with my wife and the honeymoon itself. Alrighty. How's Bro doing today? I'm good, I'm good. I'm still wondering what I want to have for dinner. Something healthy. Something healthy. I'm not too sure just yet. Maybe, maybe do some.
Yeah, yeah. I remember how I started out. I'm talking way back, man. I was
But Tuesday, I think I have to do a gaming stream on Tuesday. I'll keep you in the loop. I can't say too much about it, but I'm gonna be part of it again. Pretty much.
I see some gangsters in an alley looking like they're hiding straps. I carried on riding past when they left. I went back, found a Uzi or a Mac. My memory ain't exact. Riding round the south side, I had a gun put to my face. Pepper wearing motherfucker, had a voice with loads of bass. Said man, bro, I'm stepping and told me all about the place. Man said his name was Mando, that's my boy up till this day. Back outside.
Hey, what's up, Eves? Yeah, so for today, I'm gonna finish up for today because I can only be like close to like 2 hour streams on the weekend because my daughters are waiting for me. I have a tea party ready to go. But yeah, I'll see you later. Tomorrow will be a night stream. We'll be drawing, so it's gonna be a night stream tomorrow. So then normally we draw those where like towards the end of the carving itself. So, for now, we're going to love and leave these. Thank you very, very much for the aloha today on Twitch. Charlie the Shrimp with the huge 25 bomb, those that use the Optimus Primes on me, and the resubs, and to the brother Shiners that super chatted on YouTube as well. Thank you very much, brother. For now, you all have a good weekend, good Saturday, good Sunday, and I will see you all tomorrow night. Okay? Have a good one. See you later, Chadwick.
Started exchanging connects, bro. We had so many pillows, could have started selling beds. Nearly got caught in the lab. That shit was such a mess. Then we